Struggling with hypothyroidism and looking for natural support? Today, we're diving into whether Moringa can really help. Fact or fiction? And if you want to try Moringa in supplement form, check out Moringa Magic Supplement. Link in the description below. Hypothyroidism can leave you feeling tired, sluggish, and struggling with weight management. Many people turn to natural remedies, and one plant that's gaining attention is Moringa, also called the miracle tree. But does it really have benefits for thyroid health? Let's find out. Moringa is a nutrient-dense plant packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's rich in iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, and essential amino acids. For centuries, it's been used in traditional medicine for boosting energy, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall health. When it comes to hypothyroidism, studies suggest that Moringa's high antioxidant levels and nutrients like zinc and selenium may support thyroid function. These minerals play a crucial role in hormone production and metabolism regulation. While research is still limited, early findings show that Moringa may help balance hormones and reduce oxidative stress, two important factors in thyroid health. So, is Moringa a cure for hypothyroidism? Not exactly. There's no magic herb that can replace medical treatment, but Moringa can be a powerful supplement to support thyroid health naturally, when combined with a healthy lifestyle and medical guidance. That's why many people are adding it to their daily routine. If you'd like to try Moringa in an easy and effective way, I recommend Moringa Magic Supplement. It's a dietary supplement packed with pure Moringa leaf extract to support energy, metabolism, and overall well-being. You can find the link in the description below. The bottom line is this: Moringa for hypothyroidism isn't a miracle cure, but it does have real potential as a natural support for thyroid health. If you're curious to try it yourself, check out Moringa Magic Supplement, link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights.